Hi there, I'm Yaminah's avatar, here on behalf of Contractr AI, the intelligent assistant built by a founder for founders. If you're an entrepreneur, creative, or small business owner, you know how overwhelming it can be to juggle everything: contracts, clients, strategy, leadership, and growth all at once. That's exactly why we created Contractr AI, to make clarity easy, compliance simple, and business feel balanced again. Inside Contractr AI, you'll find tools designed to support real entrepreneurs like you. Contract drafting that adapts to your needs, fast, accurate, and accessible. Clause review that breaks down legal language so you know what's safe, what's risky, and what to fix. Business and leadership development tools that help you think, plan, and scale like a CEO. Whether you're a creative signing your first brand deal, a startup securing investors, or a small business ready to grow, Contractr AI meets you exactly where you are. And here's what makes it different. Yaminah isn't just another tech founder. She's a business and legal professional who spent years helping entrepreneurs protect their work and build with structure and strategy. Every feature, every workflow, and every clause analysis was designed with a founder's brain and legal heart. If you've ever wished you had a legal team, a strategy coach, and an operations assistant all in one place, Contractr AI is your all-in-one platform for clarity and growth. Join now and start for free at contractrai.com. Help us keep building the future of business, one smart business and legal tool at a time. Contractr AI, built for founders by founders.